Hey, hi, this is Admin from Admin 365, and in this video, we'll talk about how you can log into your Outlook on a browser and access all your emails. So let's get started. If you're using Microsoft 365, you are provided with Outlook on the browser and Outlook on the desktop as well. And if your admin has not blocked Outlook on the browser, you should be able to access it using this simple steps. Let's open a browser, any browser, and then type in portal.office.com. This is a direct login page of Microsoft 365. And in here, I simply have to sign in with the account of which I want to access the mailbox. Click on sign in. Once you are successfully logged in, you simply have to click on the 9 dots on the top and then click on Outlook. Once this page loads, you should see the exact mailbox which you see on your Outlook desktop. So for the time when your desktop Outlook is not working, you can simply use this Outlook. It is similar. It has all your emails, all your sent emails, all your drafts which you have maintained on your Outlook desktop. It also has the archive mailbox and any mailbox of which you have permissions to read email that would be visible here as well. If in case your shared mailbox is not visible here, you simply have to right click on your account and then click on add shared folder or mailbox and simply type in the email address of that particular shared mailbox. Once you do that, you can simply see that mailbox attached below. You can simply expand it to access that data as well. You can draft new email, you can send new emails from here as well, and it will go out from your account itself. So this is how you can use Outlook on the web where you don't have access to your PC. You can use any browser, any browsers in private incognito window and sign in there and then sign out from that window as well once you're done with it. So let's see how we can sign out from the browser itself. You simply have to click on your account here on the top right and then click on sign out. Now we simply have to close all the session, all the tabs which are open in this particular browser. So there you go. This is how you can access Outlook on the web on the browser when your desktop Outlook is not working. Do give it a try and let us know if you have any question. You can drop it in the comment section and you have a nice day.